Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, it's by a brand called MEGACOM. If you guys can see right here. And pretty much what these are is a similar product to like the Pokemon Gacha and Pokemon Go Plus, like that little Pokeball thing. So if you guys don't know or haven't seen my video, you should definitely go check those videos out. So basically this can actually do the same thing as those products, like the Pokemon Gacha and whatnot. But the thing about these that makes it much more different is the fact that the design is obviously number one, that's different. Number two is the battery life is much longer as well. And number three is the fact that you guys can do everything that they can do in the gacha, like auto spin, auto capture. But on top of that, it actually helps you guys auto hatch your eggs, which is pretty awesome. But the most amazing part about this product is the fact that you guys can actually pair it up to 2 accounts. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first and what comes out the package. So first one I'm opening right here is the black one. They have a black and a white color one. So when we open the package, this is basically where you guys get inside. They provide you a user manual instruction guide right here. They provide you some stickers on here so you guys can actually change the color of the actual product itself if you guys don't like the one that's right on here, which is pretty nice. They provide you a little keychain. They provide you this accessory here. Let's open up and show you guys what it is. Oh, that's pretty cool. They actually provide you a small little silicone case for the product itself, so it won't get dirty, it won't get damaged or whatever, which is pretty nice. But here is the product that we came here to see. So here is all black one, but let me actually open up the other one first to show you guys what the white one looks like first. So the other one, which is the white one, should be on this side right here. Here is basically what the product looks like. I think so far just by looking at it, I actually like the white one a lot more than the black one. The black one is really cool as well, but I feel like the blue one has a more unique kind of design where it's the white outside and the blue inside the product right here, as you can see. So let's take a look at the product first. You guys can see on the product itself, there's actually 2 buttons, so one here and one here and one here and one here. Basically what those buttons means is a indicator light for each of the device. So for this device, you guys can pair 2 accounts. This one will be account 1 and this one will be account 2. And then when it's capturing stuff on one account or spinning stuff on one account, it actually will blink a flashing light on here. So that way you guys know that it's working on this device and then for the other device as well. So basically for this product, as you can see in the back side, there's a slot for you guys to open up. And this is where you guys will put in your double AAA batteries on here. So same thing for this side as well. And you guys can see that there's an on and off switch on either side. And that's how you guys will actually activate the product after you guys put in the battery in here. So let me actually open up the inside and show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so when we open up the inside, this is basically what it looks like. 2 AAA batteries on here. So I'm just gonna put in the AAA battery first and see how it works. Alright, so we have the battery and everything on here. So we're gonna turn on the product first. So you guys can see in the back side there's an on and off switch right here. So turn it on. And you guys can see the blinking light. So that's how you guys know it's on. So basically what you guys want to do is go to your settings page right here and then go to the very bottom. And you guys can see that there are 2 different options right here. And you guys can actually pair on either one. So once you guys pair on one of them, then you guys won't be able to pair on the other one on the same device. But if you guys want to pair on another device, you guys can. That's why this device is so useful, because you guys can actually pair 2 devices at the same time. So let's do one first. So we just want to pair one of these. So just click on any of them. And just let it start pairing. And ask you guys if you want to pair it, so yes. Alright, so it's connected. So one of them is connected. Now you guys have one more for the other one. Alright, so we have both of them paired up. You guys can see both lights blinking on here, so that's how you guys know it's paired. And basically when the product itself is actually capturing Pokemon, the spinning stuff or whatever, it'll actually start blinking like a light on either one, depending on which one is paired to. That's how you guys know. Sometimes it may not spin for you guys, so it might have some issue, but definitely a room for improvement. But also the other products like Pokemon Gacha and also Pokeball Plus been having issues as well. So it's been an ongoing issue. It's not like the actual device issue. It's just like a connectivity issue with the actual game itself. But it's been working so far. It's hard to show you guys right now because there's nothing to actually capture or spin right now, but I tested earlier and it actually does work, and both products work and spins at the same time and captures stuff at the same time, which is pretty awesome. Alright, so one other thing that I also want to mention about this product itself is the fact that when you guys use the product itself, it uses 2 AAA batteries. So if you guys run out of battery, you guys need to change the battery itself, and it's not rechargeable like the Gacha and whatnot, where I actually provide you a cable to recharge it. So that's definitely one thing to kind of remember or consider as well. So basically how you guys know which one is which when you guys pair it is by looking at the product itself. When it's like capturing stuff or spinning stuff, then you guys would know. And then in terms of like turning off the sound or turning off like the vibration, or you guys want to disconnect the product to pair onto a new device. So let's say if you guys have 2 phones maxed out already, but you guys want to use it on a different device and you guys don't want to buy a new one, all you have to do is go to the first mode. So you guys want to click on any one of these. So click it one time. So once you guys press the button right here, you guys can see there's a blue light, and you guys want to press it down so you guys can actually activate the disconnect option. So you guys want to hold it for like 3 seconds to actually disconnect the product itself, so you can actually pair it onto a different device. If I click it twice, it will actually change the color green. So that's 1. And that's 2, and then see it's a green color. So this mode right here is for the sound. So if you guys hold it down, so if you guys press down the button right here on the green button right here, just hold it down for 3 seconds. And you guys can see that it's blinking green, so that means the sound is on now. If you guys press it down for another 3 seconds, it'll be flashing red, and that's how you guys know the sound is off. And if you guys click it one more time, it'll turn purple. And for purple, it means that you guys want to turn off or on the vibration mode. So if you guys press it one time or for 3 seconds, you guys can see that there's a flashing purple light, and that's how you guys know the vibration mode is on. If you guys hold it for another 3 seconds, it'll be flashing red, and you guys will know that it's actually off. The vibration mode is off. So you guys can do it for both sides if you guys want to turn off the vibration and the sound for both sides. But that's up to you guys on what you guys want to do. So in terms of the battery life itself, it has a standby mode of up to 600 hours on one battery, full charge if you guys charge your battery to the maximum. But if you guys don't have your battery fully charged, then you guys obviously won't get your full 600 hours. And since this uses a double AAA battery, that means you guys actually need to have a battery with you guys all the time. So that's definitely one thing to kind of consider on here. Definitely a really cool and unique design overall of a product though. Definitely a huge improvement to see where all these technology is going towards as they improve and make different products. Like for the Pokemon Gacha, it can't even let you guys use 2 accounts. This one actually lets you guys use 2 accounts, and it also hatches eggs for you guys, which is pretty awesome. In terms of like controlling like what you guys capture or spin and everything, you guys won't be able to do that on an app like the Pokemon Gacha and whatnot. But the thing about this one is that they advise that if you want to like not do certain stuff, like not spin stuff or not capture Pokemon and whatnot. So like if you guys run out of space in your inventory or something, then you guys can turn off the PokeStops. And then if you guys run out of Pokeballs, you guys can actually turn off the nearby Pokemon to stop capturing Pokemon, which is really cool and awesome to have since they don't have like an app to control what you guys capture and whatever. This is the closest thing they can get. But definitely really cool how you guys can actually connect 2 devices at the same time. So let me actually just put one of them and show you guys what it looks like when you guys put it into the little case that they provide you right here. Alright, so basically once you guys put it on, this is basically what it looks like. If you can see, fully covered the device itself so it won't get damaged or whatever. Has a slot right here where you guys can actually open the battery if you guys need to. Slot right here for the keychains as well. Buttons are still clickable on the device itself right here, which is really nice. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that so far from using this product, it's actually really worth it because of the fact that it can actually capture stuff automatically, spin stuff automatically, hatch stuff for you automatically, and on top of all of this is the fact that it can actually use 2 accounts at the same time instead of 1. So you can actually use it for your own accounts if you have multiple accounts, or if you guys have a friend that wants to share it with you guys and they don't have it, then you guys can actually use this to share it with your friends at the same time, which is pretty awesome. In terms of how far the Bluetooth range is, it's up to 20 meters. So if that's long enough for you guys, then that's perfect. If not, then you guys should definitely stay closer together so you guys can actually share the device itself. Probably the only thing that I see that's not that great about this product is 2 things. One, obviously, is the pricing. I think this is really expensive. Like around $80 for one of these is super expensive. So that's like more than double the price of a Gacha wristband. But the Gacha wristband cannot appear for 2 devices. So you're pretty much paying for 2 accounts right here, which is pretty awesome and definitely one thing to kind of consider. Another thing to kind of consider is the fact that the battery, there's no cable to charge the battery. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have...